Headers and footers might seem like small details, but they play a crucial role in creating a professional document structure. Let me break it down for you. Headers are like the cherry on top of your document. They appear at the top of each page and can include important information like the document title, your name, or even page numbers. They give your document a polished and organized look, making it easier for readers to navigate through your content. On the other hand, footers are like the foundation of your document. They appear at the bottom of each page and can include things like copyright information, dates, or even contact details. Footers provide consistency and professionalism throughout your document, leaving a lasting impression on your readers. Now, how do you actually use headers and footers? Well, it's quite simple. Most word processing software, like Microsoft Word, have built-in options for adding headers and footers. Just go to the Insert tab, select Header or Footer, and choose the style you prefer. You can customize them to match your document's theme or branding. Remember, headers and footers are not just for fancy documents. They are essential for reports, essays, and even resumes. So next time you're working on a professional document, don't forget to utilize headers and footers to create that sleek and organized look. And that's it. Headers and footers might be small, but they make a big difference in your document structure. So go ahead and give them a try. Your readers will thank you for it.